Are you struggling with Chroma key in Davinci Resolve? Well, I'm going to show you all the best, quickest ways to remove green screen in Edit Page, Color Page, and Fusion. So, without further ado, get your pen and paper because it's about to go down. Do your thing, 21, do your thing. Welcome to Hord Inc Studios, where we discuss filming equipment, growth on YouTube, Davinci Resolve, Blender, and many more. Without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Before we begin keying process, we need to set up color management. This is a crucial step for visual effects workflow. So if you simply start working on your HD or RAW content, you're starting out on the wrong foot. In Edit Page, you rely on color management fully compared to keying in Fusion or Color Page. You could also color grade your footage, generate compound clip, which is time consuming.
Target neutralized.
In order to composite, you first need to remove nonlinear gamma curve from your shot and convert it to linear. Then you will reverse the process and ensure that the output from Fusion page, Color Page will apply the correct nonlinear gamma according to your output format. Edit Page is not included here, and I take it that Edit Page is only for editing and not for compositing, just like Color Page.
Tango down.
I will and must have a video explaining this fully so you can understand the concept behind linear workflow when working with VFX mostly. Well, we will not dwell on this, but more on green screen removal. So let's set color management to Davinci RGB color manager. Once you do that, you will see your footage gaining contrast. In the Edit Page, select Effects tab and search 3D keyer. Drag and drop this on your footage. We are about to do the magic. Before we begin, let's set our viewer to OpenFX overlay. Now we're almost there. Move from Video to Effect tab. In the Inspector tab, choose the eyedropper and let's draw all over the green till we like it. Sometimes after removing the green screen, we may have a little bit of a hard looking artist. We must use Dispel to remove this. Drag Dispel all the way till you are happy with the output. To refine keying, use the Matte Finance controls. Use Garbage Match if your green screen was not filling up full camera frame. Now we are done. The method is the same in Color Page. Let's jump in there and run you through it. In Color Page, search 3D keyer. Do the same work that we did in Edit Page, but now we need to create the alpha output to send out the keyed image. You need hard beats for your videos? Then check out saltyboybeats.com with promo code for 25% discount at checkout. Link in the description. At this point, I think you are angry with me because I'm not doing the one from Fusion, right? Well, the only point for using green screen is if you're going to use the most out of it, like camera tracking, explosions, Mission Impossible, you name it. Edit Page and Color Page won't do you any favor. Let's jump into Fusion by pressing Shift and 5. We need to change color management to Davinci RGB. I'll convert nonlinear gamma to linear myself because I like to have full control. Let's rename our media, of course. We need to convert our footage to linear gamma. We'll do this by using Cineon log. We are going from log to linear. Delta keyer expects linear footage and not Rec 709 or raw footage, okay? Under log type, let's set this to Blackmagic Design Film. We use this to film this footage. The film version is Blackmagic Design Film 4K. If you are using 6K, then it will be 6K. On ISO, we can pick ISO 200 or 400. Never go crazy on this. Now you can see the advantage of raw footage. We can change the footage later even if we shot it in ISO 200. Add Delta keyer and let's begin chroma keying. Drag eyedropper and drop it on the green screen space near our talent. Drag gain slightly to subtract more green from background. Less than 1.3 is safe. We began the process. We will run the operation in alpha mode. Go in Premat to refine the selection. Let's select Game or Gamma to work better. Drag Gamma slider like halfway to expose small areas that cannot be seen by human eye. Select a range. Don't overdo this process, it will start attacking your talent. You can set up a soft range and erode. I'm happy with this by far. Let's move into matte. Here we can clean our talent from the background. We must not attack too much though. You may need to hold down Ctrl and drag your function to make micro adjustment. Clean foreground and clean background. We need to reset gain or gamma to disable it. We are going somewhere. We need to refine this, guys. Let's add B-spline. We obviously need to invert this. Animate it as required. Solid matte is for things that were casted by our green screen. We need to save this from going with our green screen. Alternative way will be creating a hard matte and connecting it as a solid matte. By the way, that's the best method by far. It will save you time from keyframing, animating your B-splines. This is the best, I can say that. Now shadows give realism to our composition. You need to check out this video right here on how to do that right. I will see you in the next video.